Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to this week's Elements Developer Diary. Now this week I've got a few bits and pieces to go over. There's nothing specifically today I'm going to go over in Elements because we're working on some pretty big things that hopefully we'll be able to show you later in the week. But today I'm going to talk about a few things around that. Now the first thing I want to talk about is on the forum we had some discussions about a last call for features. Now this was posted by Flash, it wasn't posted by us, but he does make a good point in saying, you know, come on, let's get this last list of features that people really need in the app. And so it's quite a long thread with a lot of suggestions, and there was talk of opening our bug tracker and ways for people want to see the roadmap and things. And in the end, we have decided to use a service called Note, and that allows you to submit ideas and then for people to vote on them and keep a track that way. So I'm going to show that to you. Now I've clicked into here and this is posted on the forum. It's pinned to the top of the Elements category, so you can always find it there. So if we go into here, we can click on the Suggest a Feature button or the View Roadmap link. So let's head on over there, and this opens up the Note website, or our the elements on there. So by default it opens up to trending to see what's new, but let's switch to most voted, and already we can see users have submitted some ideas. That's from you guys. Now we haven't put features on here, we're just leaving it to you guys to post things and then upvote and downvote them. So top requests, you can see, is a contact form, and if you want to make a suggestion you just hit the button at the top. You will need to be logged in, but it's loads of login options, quick to sign up. So in here you want to put the feature that you want, so be very specific about what you want. And then you'd write the title in there and then go into a bit more detail so people understand it, and you can sell that feature about why people should vote for it and what it would do. So you can see here we've got this contact form. This guy just wants a contact form, just a basic form. Would have been good to add a little bit more detail, but you get the idea, and then you can upvote it. So we're giving this a trial to see how it goes. So if you've got a feature you want in Elements and you think other people will want it as well, post it on here and hopefully it will get upvoted and we'll take a look at this. And the idea is, if a lot of these things are already on our list, but if we see them with more votes, then it probably means they're more urgent, that more people want them, and we'll try and do those first. So another view that is worth looking at is the roadmap view. So if I click on roadmap, now this will show you things that we've said, yes, these are planned, so that you know they're coming. And then if there's some features we're undecided on or not sure how urgent they are, like a lot of these are good ideas, but they're kind of undecided because they don't have many votes and we don't want to add to the workload just yet. It doesn't mean we won't do them. It just means it's kind of undecided. And then completed is these features that we've already completed. So it's a good way to keep track of how we're doing with Elements, so hopefully in the not too distant future a lot of these will be checked off and moved from planned to completed. So yeah, so do head over to here, or head over to here even, and make some suggestions. Let's click on there and make some suggestions and upvote some things that you really want to see in Elements. So hopefully this will help. Like I said, it is a test, a trial to see how it goes, but it seems pretty good so far, and it's going to be useful to keep track of what you want. So the other thing I wanted to touch on is a marketplace update. There's been lots of updates to the marketplace. We've been consistently improving this for most of this year, months and months, lots of updates. Joby's been working on this and he's been doing an excellent job. We've got some more stuff to come, more great things to come, and they'll be kind of rolled out. But the reason I'm showing you this now is because we have a new option in here. So we've got Rapid Weaver Classic, and you've got all the add-ons you know and love if you're a Classic user. But now we have a Rapid Weaver Elements category, and this is going to show all the element add-ons. Very new at the moment, and as you know, you can't ship element packs just yet, but you can ship projects and resources, things like that for elements. So we thought it would be good to get this going. Now this is not finished, it is live, we've got more stuff to do, and it is going to be tightly integrated into elements. But we've got to start somewhere, and this is kind of the first part. So we have a project I've been working on, and we've added this here so you can download it. You can learn more about it here. We've got some text and what features it supports, and I'm just doing a video that will be on here that will discuss this and show you kind of how to use it. And we'll be doing, this is the first of many projects, and these things will ship in Elements, but I think this is going to be a great place to put them for now so that we can build up a library of these, and anyone else that wants to build a project can do so and add them to here to build up a library of them, and have a place for new users to go that are looking to put together a website and don't kind of know where to start. So this is, it's not a stopgap, but it is the first step in a much bigger plan for this. You will be able to click a button in here and just open this project directly in Elements. We haven't implemented that yet, but it is coming. For now, what we've done is this link will go over to the forum and have all the details here and the link to download it. And that's kind of, again, that's just a stopgap, a temporary thing until we've written the software. But we want to push these things out, and and as you've seen with Elements, things aren't always finished, but they're usable. So we just keep iterating, keep moving forwards, and keep polishing things up. And yeah, so I think this is going to be really good. It's early days yet on here, but if you are a developer, or if you have been building projects for Elements and you want to publish them, you can do that now on the marketplace. And the user base for Elements is growing. Even though we're in a private beta and it's kind of invite only, we're every day new users are kind of being added into Elements. So it's I think it's going to grow rapidly, especially next year, once we go into open beta where anyone can come along and use Elements. So this is a good time to get these things ironed out. Anyway, so that's all for today's Dev Diary video. Just wanted to give you an update on those things, and hopefully later in the week I will go back to the app and we can talk about what's new in that and what's new in the components, because Ben has been working on the components, lots of great little updates and fixes in there. So lots going on, and I can't wait to show you some of the stuff we've been working on. All right, that's all for today, and I will see you soon. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.